In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your folder for an HBA Film Studies class. I'm currently in our lab, and all of these computers are locked down. What that means is if you were to make changes to the computer and we restart the computer, it would reset whatever changes you've made. But that also means if you save anything in the hard drive or in documents or even on the desktop, if we restart the computer, it will get erased. So we have set up a safe place on the computer called thaw space. So here's the hard drive, here's another drive, and this is called thaw space. That is the safe place, and right now this is the art server. We are going to be dealing with thaw space. So if I double click that, then I'm in thaw space. Currently I'm viewing it in the list mode. I could also view it as icons. Put it back to the list, and I need to create a folder for the class that I am enrolled in. Let us imagine that I am in the class Middle School Filmmaking. Then I'm going to create a folder for that. I'm going to right click and I can choose New Folder. Or I can go in here in the Finder, say File, New Folder, and that's going to create a new folder in this active window, the one that is lit up right here. Or if you notice here in the menu where it says New Folder, it also gives me the shortcut, Shift Command N. So if on my keyboard I were to hold Shift, the Command key, and N, then it creates a new folder in that active window, so in thaw space. And I'm going to click this, and you can see it's blue highlighted, or if you accidentally deselected it, you can select it, right click, and choose Rename. Then you can see it as blue highlighted. I don't need to hit any backspaces. I can just start typing, and it will erase what is there. The class that I might be creating a folder for might be Middle School Filmmaking, so I would type MS Filmmaking, and then I need to add what year it is. So I'm going to do 25-26, and then also the current semester that I'm in. Semester 1, and then I want to add my first and last name. Now this folder is set up for me. Now this is a community computer, so you should only be going into the folders that you have created, and you shouldn't be going into other people's folders. But this is a safe place. Even when the computer is restarted, this folder will still be there. And if I double click this, now I'm in the folder. It says it right here. It has that address. Anytime you are going to create a new project, you should create a new folder for that project. So let me just practice that now. I just did a right click, new folder, and perhaps I were doing a CGI project and I was creating a gelatin cube falling. So I'm going to call this gelatin. And then anything for that particular project would be here. So you would do that for each of your projects. That will keep you organized, and that is also how you can make sure that all of your files for a particular project are in one safe place. And that is how you set up a folder for an HBA Film Studies class.